Hey guys, it's Amber and I'm sharing a super quick video here on just putting my title page together for my 2022 Project Life album. I'm going to be sticking with the 12 by 12 album again, and I've been participating in a class for Teresa Moxley's website. I'll share a link in the video info, and our week 2 challenge was to create our title page, so I wanted to get working on this. I always like to pick a photo of the 5 of us. This was one that we used for our Christmas cards this year. I like to pick a photo of Jarrett and I and the kitties by them as a little pair as well. So I'm not 100% sure where the camera card is from, but the rainbow and actually all 3 of the 3x4 cards that I'm using there are from Ellie Edwards. So is that plastic piece that's from the And kit this year, and the chipboard pieces. That 2022 card is from Ellie's Studio, and I'm just struggling on which piece of chipboard to layer over it, and I'm going to end up going with the pink one because I was creating like a little trilogy of pink to move your eye around the page with the heart chipboard. That's from Studio Calico, the ampersand, and then that pink one. That is from an old kit about laughter, I think. It says bring on the laughter, bring on the fun. And the other one was either a week in the life or a day in the life one that said people and places and things and the stuff of daily life. So I was just having a hard time deciding between them, but ultimately ended up going with pink for balance. So I stapled the ampersand on, and I put the chipboard on the outside of the page protector for a little bit of texture. And then I decided to test what it would look like if I wrote our names and ages onto the rainbow card there, because it's really the only space I have available for journaling. And so I wrote it on a scratch piece of paper, tested it out, and then ultimately decided by itself it looked a little too plain, and that with just the tiniest hint of journaling on there it would look good. So thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you going forward. Bye.